we have chief priests of Ikubabaye, that is Ooni. And I used to be telling you the difference between the two. The original Yoruba that we are using to write WAEC, this is Oyo language. Anybody use another Oyo language apart from Oyo, such person will score F9 from WAEC. If you see any Yoruba write WAEC, they use our language to write WAEC. And there was a time we are discussing that you make mention of a town that Yoruba land, the Hausa land, the real. I asked a question at Saudi Arabia. I want to know the real Hausa language. But you mentioned that town. That is, you know, by the time we are writing our WAEC, Igbo will write his own, Hausa will write his own, Yoruba will write his own. You make mention of Daura, that they use Daura language to write Hausa language. The tongue that we Yorubas use to write our Yoruba. Here is our father that speaks correct, original Yoruba language. There are some kings, you will never see them with Agbada. There are some kings in Yoruba land that you will never see them with Agbada. If they want Agbada today, they will remove them. It's only Alaafin that wear Agbada. We have many original messages that's more than 100. We are loaded for somebody that is ready to learn. You are with our Baba. I will release this microphone to Ikubabaye, the leader of all others in Yoruba land. Kabiyesi, so that when you see your son nominated as an imam for Nako, here is man that nominated Imam Dawood Adim al-Muslimin of Oyo Kingdom as nominated Imam for Nako in Nigeria. If you see the way Kabiyesi, the way they honor your son at Saudi Arabia, you'll be thinking that this Bamo is not just ordinary tribal man who will have removed on that day. Kabiyesi,
thank you very much. Distinguished leaders, my greetings to all the members of Alizuna here present, all the Muslim leaders here present, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I must tell you something today. Say about 3 months ago now, Alhaji Imam Ikyogo has always been telling me much about Dr. Sheikh Abdullahi Falalau. A lot of good things which has been said, there are good things. A lot of good things I would say. We really appreciate you for the fact that out of your busy time, you came around to pay homage with some of the other members of Alizuna. A big thank you to you. You didn't just come around for a visit. You have come around to remind us of the bond among the Muslim brothers, fathers. We appreciate you. Among some of the things which I learned about you is your preaching and teaching ability, which I've witnessed on couples of occasions. One of them is during the wedding of Alhaji Senator Yari, when the son was getting married. I enjoy every minute of the preaching and the teaching. May the Almighty Allah continue to increase your coast. and your knowledge too. We appreciate you, and we are proud of you as a Muslim. You don't only preach peace within Nigeria. It's because of your capability and ability. That's why you have that opportunity to go abroad and represent us to ensuring a peacekeeping mission. So thank you very much. We appreciate you. You are a good symbol and emblem of Muslim, because the Muslim represents peace, represents unity, represents compassion. So we really appreciate you a lot. Thank you very much. And we don't want you to cease to doing that. I mean, we don't want you to stop to doing some of these preaching and teaching, because if you keep on doing that, you continue to be making us proud. So thank you very much. We really appreciate you. And for the good, one of the good things, I know you have done numerous good things. One of them is the appointment of our son, Imam Alhaji Dauda Igiogun, to be the chairman of NICON. Imam, right? So thank you very much. We appreciate you. It is not because maybe I'm seeing you, that's why I'm saying all this. But a number of times he has come around mentioning your names, telling me much about you. So we say thank you to you. And may the Almighty Allah continue to increase that bond between the two of you. We pray for peace to always continue to reign in Yoruba land and in Nigeria as a whole. So thank you very much. Being a good leader, thank you very much. And so also about the Statistician General, we have heard of some of the good things you've always been doing to him as well, as some of the support you've been rendering. We appreciate you. And there's a Yoruba saying that yini yini keni bale shemi. So in a way, what that meant in English is that when you very appreciative, then you should be expecting more. So we are appreciating you, and our Oliver Twist is asking for more. We know definitely you're gonna do better, and you have been doing it. So thank you very much for coming around, and we know that definitely you are very busy, but out of your busy time you came around to see us here in Oyo, the entire Oyo. We are happy to see you, and I'm sure the entire Yoruba are happy to see you too. So thank you very much for coming around, and we really hope that the bond between us and will continue to Zoa, continue to grow. Thank you very much in the name of Almighty Allah. Yeah, thank you very much. My appreciation. Thank you.
But sir, I want the entire United States to know that this is our father for Yoruba land. This is our father for entire Yoruba land. I'm not a father of a Muslim boy. And I know what that means. Many people have been saying a lot of things. The name of Abaiku Babai is Abdul Hakim or Wade. And when you hear any other thing, This is the original source of the information. All the priests collected their form, they fill their forms. There is a column. Are you a Muslim or Christian? Baba wrote his name as a Muslim. Whether you like it or not, that's what I saw. And I said it, not his first time to be observing our Salat Juma. He observing the first, the second, and I know that you pray together at Kaduna. It's now over to you, so that I will not regret of being a Muslim. You know, I know the way you handle Sultan of Sokoto. The Nigeria, I used to be telling our people, we know each other more than 20 years ago. Have you ever seen anything fraud about Imam Dawood? No. Leadership. We've talked about with the president and a lot. Baba, I know. That of Assistant General, the way you assisted him, here is his father, Assistant General of the nation. And I know that if you can try, when it is time, I will tell you his request. But I don't want you just to come here alone. I want you to match this Ikuba Baye together with Sultan of Sokoto, Kano and everything. I understand and I know the reason why I'm saying that. So that the federal government, Baba will be part of the king that will be ruling the federal government of the nation. Here is your brother. There's no any Oba that will be joining you observing Salah together. If you hear